The data released over the European session, as if by magic. Darren, what's happening in Europe this morning?
Relatively data light today in both the UK and the US. We've had some numbers out. German import prices for both month on month and year on year. So April over March and April 15 over April 14. Net, the month on month figures came in higher, suggesting there's the hint of inflation. The year-on-year numbers are in line. I think they probably cancel each other out, to be honest. Probably of more interest to me was the comment from Deutsche Bank yesterday that its net profits will be down in this quarter by as much as 50%, even though revenues are up 24% over the previous quarter, just literally on the legal costs it's had to set aside for all of the investigations and things that are going on in the world of banking.
And the headline was a lot of bank trading positions going to be.
Yes, they're going to trim the investment bank and try and spin off Postbank. I don't really see where they're going to be making their money from, though, if they keep spinning out divisions and reducing the size of the business. That's for another day, perhaps. In the UK, we had the CBI Industrial Trends Survey. This is one of those independent data points that takes account of a raft of data. We were looking for a read of 4, came in at 1, so still growing, but perhaps growing more slowly.
GDP numbers tomorrow. It looks as if we might be slowing, doesn't it?
Yes, that's perhaps a bit of a heads up on that, but the GDP number obviously will have a greater bearing. The other thing that happened in the last hour, Japan's credit rating downgraded by Fitch. Only a small downgrade, was A+, is now A. Outlook remains stable, but it's another negative nail in the Japanese economy there.
I'm not sure I trust the credit ratings systems to be perhaps as market sensitive as they should be.
No, perhaps not, and that's the debate still drumming on from the worst days of the credit crunch and the crisis thereafter. But we have to go with what we're given, and that's where Fitch have taken us.